Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another Capsule Chix from the GIGAGLAM collection. Now, before I get into unboxing this girl or whatever right here, I am doing a giveaway this week, so check that out. Alright Winxers, so this week is a bit of a different giveaway. Instead of giving away a doll or merchandise, I'm actually giving away a gift certificate. And this week I'll be giving away a $15 gift certificate to one lucky winner to use at restoredoll.com. Now restoredoll.com is my personal favorite provider of doll restoration tools, accessories, and hair. I personally purchased their catsilk saran, but they also, of course, stock nylon, Nylatex, and even polypropylene. Now you can also buy flocking, glue, and needles and needle tools here as well, and even doll fashion boxes and stuff like that. So if you want to know how you can win this gift certificate to restoredoll.com, check the link to my Instagram in the description, and that'll tell you how to enter on my Instagram. Go there. Good luck. Alright, and of course, be sure to hit subscribe because I am posting 3 times a week in the month of December, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'm doing a giveaway every week, so you should totally subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more of my content. Now, I've already unboxed 2 of these girls this month. I did a Control-Alt-Magic as well as one of the new Shimmer Surge collections, and I'm so excited to get into this GIGAGLAM one. Let me just show you how you open it up. You pull out this little bar right here, that just pops away, and then you open it up to get out your lookbook, which kind of looks like a magazine. Here's the GIGAGLAM one. Now, putting that to the side, let's try and get out a capsule. So you just kind of twist this till it pops out, and there it is. Ooh, this is interesting. So, hold on. Okay, so typically the bottoms look like this guy here. They're transparent, they're a hard plastic, and they have kind of like a little key lock to put your stand in. This looks nothing like that. It's very different. So usually I also pull all of them out first before I unbox them, but I kind of want to open this one because this is really weird. Here, hold on. Okay, so I'm actually just going to tear this open and see what's in here. Okay. Alright, so we have this little white top here. Interesting. Alright, I'm going to pull the rest of these out and I'll be right back. Alright, so after pulling out all of the plastic bags, all of them have this new type of bottom here, except for this one. So this is definitely very interesting and I've never seen it before, but this is the first piece I got, so let's keep opening. Alright. And, alright, so we have a pink bottom here with like, ooh, this is cute. Is there a skirt? Hold on, maybe I missed something? Nope, okay. So this is, it's got these like molded on pants and little star belt. Cute. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. This is the accessories. Okay, so we got some white shoes. Okay, we got a diamond bag and some white heels. Cute. Alright, putting those aside. Moving on to the next one. We have the face. Ooh, we got a little squinty one with some dark lips. Very cute. And last but not least, of course, we have the wig. Oh, if I can get it open. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Oh, guys. It's one of the oh, this is so awesome. Okay, so it's one of the really, like, rare glitter ones, I think. Okay, I just got glitter all over myself. Okay, so I am just going to pull this up, and I want to actually look up that wig. Okay, so let's look up the faces. Alright, so I got face number 3 right here, the winky eye one. Very cute. But I want to look up that wig and see if it's rare at all, because I'm pretty sure the glitter ones are. Okay, this is the top right here. It's top number 1, I think. I think that's top number 1. Alright, moving. Okay, green. What does green mean? Green means rare. Okay, cool. So it is a rare hairpiece. That is so awesome. Here are the shoes. I wonder if we can find those pants because I don't think I've seen them before. No, I don't see the pants in here. Okay, I'm gonna put her together and I will be right back. And here she is, all put together, guys. Oh my goodness, she is so stinking adorable, and look at that hair. It's like iridescent and so glittery. It's gorgeous. I am in love with this hairpiece. This is the second rare hairpiece that I've gotten, like in the 3 that I opened. So this is so exciting. And you know what's also really cool is that sometimes when you get, you know, these Capsule Chix and they come with all their different accessories, the outfits that come together can be kind of weird or not really make any sense. I think this outfit, I got kind of lucky with it. It makes a lot of sense, and I think it looks really good on her. I am so in love with it. And in regards to the weird capsules, I don't totally hate it because it says right on these very clearly that they are recyclable, and they're kind of just easily to dispose of, which I actually really like because I always thought it was kind of odd that all 5 of them were stand bases, basically, especially because you only need 1 per Capsule Chix, and each Capsule Chix comes with their own stand, so why do you need so many extras? This is great because now you just keep the 1 fancy stand piece and you can toss out all the rest, and I actually like that. Well, you should recycle, not toss them out, you know, save the planet. They are recyclable, like I said, so you should recycle this whole thing when you're done with it. But I am so in love with her, and she's so pretty, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think she is super cute. Let me know if you guys have picked up any Capsule Chix, or if you've gotten any, or if you have any rare pieces you want to show off. Definitely tag me on Instagram. My link is in the description. And leave me, you know, plenty of comments. Let's talk about them. I am falling deeper in love with these. I actually got a comment on my Instagram the other day about how a certain person thought that these weren't worth the money, and I do want to talk about that real quick. These dolls cost $14.99, so it's $15. However, I actually bought these on sale on Amazon. I was able to get them for I think around $12 or $13, but I've seen them on sale for as low as $9.99, so you can definitely get a deal on them. I do think that a lot of the price is in the packaging, and I have talked about that before. However, in comparison to like the LOL Surprise dolls, or really any mini collectible like mystery item on today's market, they're all between $10 and $15. So I really don't think that these dolls are overpriced in any way, especially the packaging and the full articulation and the art and everything. I think that these dolls are really, really so stinking cute and are so easy to collect. And so far, I think I've only ever gotten 1 double piece, and I've collected a few of these, so I really like them. I think that they're super cute, and yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and watching me unbox this super cute girl and going through the process of finding new capsules. But yeah, until next time, guys, I hope you have a great day and a great week, and that you enjoyed this video. Next time, guys, bye!